Last month, my credit card bill was 847, more than my paycheck. I was broke, straight, and tired watching money making with AI videos that feel like a scam. So I did something crazy. I spent my last 300 testing every AI money tool I could find. Most fail, but 3 actually works. On made me 500 in 2 weeks while I sleep. Look, you are watching this, you are probably like me 3 months ago, you are working hard and never getting ahead. Bills keep coming, but your paycheck stays on the same. I tried everything. Side hustle that took forever, online courses that promised millions but delivered nothing. I even tried dropshipping, lost my 200 and getting only straights. The worst part, seeing other people online making money while you are stuck. You know what I mean, right? Then I found 3 AI tools, but here's the thing. I almost ignored them because I threw out there were just more hype. I'm glad to don't. Let me show you exactly what worked me, what don't. The first tool saved me from my money tears. I used CopyAI and Upwork together. Here's how. CopyAI cost me 49 a month. It writes blogs, emails, and social media posts using AI. I threw out maybe I can sell these to businesses. I cracked an Upwork profile. Not as a writer, I can barely write emails. I collect myself a fast content creator. My secret? AI did a heavy lifting. My first week was terrible. Send 20 proposals and get 0 replies. I feel stupid. Maybe this was another waste of money. Then I got lucky. A small businesses needed a blog post fast. They offered 75 for 800 words. Deadline 24 hours. I picked, but I used CopyAI, give the topic, edited the result, made it sound human. Took me 2 hours, the client loved it. Here's what happened next. Week 1, 75 on job week. Week 2, 200, 2 clients. Week 3, 450 word spread week. 4 week, 650, turning people away. My secret was speed. Others writers took 3 to 5 days. I delivered in 24 hours. Clients paid extra for fast work. The math is simple. I worked 3 hours per day, made about 25 per hour. AI did 80% of writing, but here's the problem. You are still trading time for money. You stop working, money stop coming. That's when I found number 2. That's all was different. It's made money even when you just not working. I can't draw anything. Stick figure, you are too hard for me. So when someone said sell AI art online, I lagged, but I was desperate. So I tried Midjourney for $30 a month. It creates any image for when with just text commands. My first design was ugly, really ugly. I made a motivational code poster that looked like garbage. Uploaded to it, rewinded anyway. 0 sales for a week. I feel like it an idol. Then I changed my approach. Instead of making art, I thought about what people actually buy. What do they want on their t-shirt? I made a simple design, dog mom, with a simple paw print. I took 15 minutes, uploaded it and forget about it. 2 days later, 3 sales while I spread. Made 18 profit. That's when I clicked. That's was not about being artistic. It was about solving problems. People buy a shirt from show how this free as. I tested everything, paid owners, paid dad, records mom, jobs, natural life, teacher power, hobbies, craft addicted, coffee addicted, book lover. Here's what worked. Week 1, 43, learning what sells. Week 2, 127 found winners. Week 3, 201 more designs. Week 4, 285 momentum building. My best design was tried teaser. Made 89 for 1 month. People loved it because it was relatable. The beautiful part, once uploaded design sell forever. I created 150 designs in 30 days. Now they make money 24/7. I use 3 platforms. Redbubble, easy to start. Socrates 6, higher profits, Amazon, Mars. Biggest audience, the key is volume. Most designs make nothing, but few winners pay for everything. Current stats, after 3 months, 300 plus design live on 460 per month, passive income, 2 hours work per week. Now, there was problem. My income was invisible. Nobody knew I excited. That's when I discovered tool number 3. That was sense my everything. I started making those designs, but nobody knew about them. So my friend said, why don't you make videos about it? I hate being on camera, but I was curious. So I used ChatGPT to write my first YouTube script topic, how I made 500 with AI art. Recorded it only on my phone, tribal lighting, no ratings, uploaded on, forget about it. Once a week later, 2000 views, I cannot believe it. Made another video, this time ChatGPT helped me research what people wanted to know. How to find profitable niche-based platforms to sell on, common mistakes to avoid. Second video views, 5000 views. Here what I learned. People are hungry for real results, no promise, actual proof. ChatGPT became my research assistant. It helped me find trending topics, write better titles, create engaging scripts, understand my audience. After 2 months, 15 videos posted, 3,200 subscribers, 200 monthly ad revenue, 300 affiliate income. But the real magic happened when everything converted. When I maintained my design, its videos sales jumped. When I shared my Upwork tips, new clients found me. That YouTube channel became the hub of everything. Now I make money 3 ways: YouTube ads, design, sales, writing clients. The best part, it keeps growing. Each video works forever. Design sell while I sleep. Clients keep coming back. ChatGPT don't just help me, it's make content. It helped me build a real businesses. Here's what nobody tells about AI money making. There is not magic, it's just a really good assistant with writing AI, writing tests. But if you still need to find clients, communicate well, deliver on time, edit everything with designs. AI creates art, but you will still need to research what sells, upload everywhere, test different ideas, be pretend with YouTube. AI helps with scripts, but you still need to show up on camera, post, consistently connected with people, learn as you go. The people making millions, they are not just using AI, they are combining AI with real business skills. My advice to you, you are starting, need money fast, start with Upwork plus Copy AI. You can earn within 2 weeks. When to passive income, try Midjourney Plus print on demand. It takes 2 to 3 months build up, paying long term. And YouTube plus ChatGPT builds the biggest businesses. My mistake, I tried to get rich quick. What actually worked was getting consistent. 6 months later, those tools generate 1,500 monthly, not rich, but it covers my bills and gives me a brighting room. The state is gone, hope is back. If you try on being broke straight, try on those tools, start small, test everything, track your results. The best invest I made was not the tools, AI tools. It was believing I could change my situation. Which tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I read every on single. If this helped you, it's hit the subscribe. I share what actually working every week. No hype, just real results. You have get this. I believe in you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.